In a quiet lab filled with ocean maps and glowing screens, Mr. IF begins his latest deep-sea investigation. His flashlight sweeps across an ancient book showing monstrous creatures of the abyss, legends older than time. Behind his glasses, the reflection of a kraken stirs both curiosity and awe in his eyes. The ocean's deepest layer, he says softly, remains a realm where light itself surrenders to darkness. Bioluminescent sparks flicker through the abyss, like distant stars scattered across an eternal night. From the darkness, a colossal silhouette moves, the giant squid, elegant and enormous. Mr. If narrates, "This creature can grow longer than a yellow school bus, an underwater giant." A visual comparison appears, its body stretching far beyond the length of the bus beside it. He connects it to old legends, tales of the kraken terrorizing sailors across these stormy seas. An animation shows a ship dragged below by massive tentacles, swallowed by the abyss. Mr. If smiles mysteriously. But the giant squid isn't the largest one down there. The image shifts, revealing another heavier titan of the deep emerging from the dark. "Meet the colossal squid," he says, shorter in length, yet twice the weight. Who are these two giants? And have they ever crossed paths beneath the waves? The central mystery is set, the rivalry of two sea titans that have never met. In front of a glowing taxonomy chart, Mr. IF points to separate evolutionary branches. Despite their looks, he explains, they're not even close relatives, not the same genus or family. The screen splits, showing two evolutionary paths diverging millions of years ago. Their only link? Both belong to the Ogopsida, deep-sea squids with uncovered eyes. A map reveals, one roams temperate oceans, the other rules Antarctic depths. They evolved apart, Mr. If states, different worlds, different battles for survival scene. A timeline flashes, tracing their shared ancestor back 80 million years near the Cretaceous end. Two distinct branches form, Architeuthidai for giant squid, Cranchiidae for colossal squid. This, he says, is convergent evolution, nature's way of reinventing success. Visuals show parallel paths converging to similar shapes, born from shared challenges. But why did they grow so enormous? He wonders aloud. What drives deep-sea gigantism? For the giant squid, he explains, pressure and darkness forced size as survival armor. We see it slicing through the mid-ocean night, streamlined and lightning fast. For the colossal squid, he continues, cold demands mass, energy storage, thermal protection. The colossal squid glides heavily through icy Antarctic waters, slow, deliberate, powerful. Weight comparison flashes, 500 pounds versus a staggering 1,300. Giant, sleek and quick, colossal, thick, armored, a submarine of flesh. Speed test, giant squid, 25 miles per hour, colossal, barely half that. But the giant's strength lies in its suction cup rings, tiny teeth gripping with steel force. Close up, hundreds of sharp-edged suckers locking on to prey like drills. The colossal, he adds, wields rotating hooks, like spinning saws of the deep. Macro shot, razor hooks twisting under eerie light, terrifying yet mesmerizing. He describes the giant's hunting style, swift ambushes, sudden strikes from total darkness. The squid launches, tentacles unfurl, prey vanishes in a single flash. The colossal, he says, hunts with brute strength, waiting then crushing its victim. Animation shows it locking prey in a deadly embrace, crushing it effortlessly. Different methods, same ocean, Mr. If notes, yet divided by the world itself. A glowing map separates their territories, midnight zone versus abyssal zone. They've never met, he whispers, and may never even know the other exists. Then out of nowhere, a shadow far greater appears, the sperm whale. The whale, Mr. IF says, is their shared predator, the ultimate giant slayer. He holds a massive beak model. These beaks are the only parts that survive digestion. Images show whale stomachs filled with hundreds of squid beaks, proof of unseen wars below. It's an endless evolutionary arms race, he declares. Predator versus prey, forever adapting. Graphics show squids growing faster, whales diving deeper. Evolution's fierce duel continues. He returns to the convergence chart. This pattern isn't unique to squids. He smiles. Sharks and dolphins share the same torpedo shape, designed by physics, not ancestry. Bats and birds both fly, yet evolved wings from completely different blueprints. And the Tasmanian wolf, an eerie copy of real wolves, born worlds apart. He concludes, nature reuses what works. Efficiency is its favorite art form. Then softly his tone turns thoughtful. Could there be a third giant squid yet unseen? Maybe somewhere in the black abyss, evolution is still crafting its next masterpiece. We glimpse rising species, massive squids evolving in secret, growing with each generation. The giant design endures, he says, because in the deep, only the adaptable survive. Mr. If gazes through his lab window toward the endless sea. The light fades, mystery remains.